Pero yo no, pues, lo pateé por $38.
Sí.
A ver, voy a traer. Él me dijo, ¿sabes qué le hacen antes? Pero, ¿puede trabajar así? No, Alex, es que voy a ir a traer.
This is the sump pump that's actually filling up right now. Or I should say the basin. And pretty soon as it reaches a certain level, it'll pump the water right out. At the top, there's also a stop. So basically what happens is the water is flushed out, opens a valve, or it should, yeah, it opens a valve, the water goes right through, and then it shuts it off so that there's no backflow or backflush, if you will. There we go, it's coming down right now. Sweet. Good.